नेपाल की ठंडी ठंडी,
नेपाल की ठंडी ठंडी हवाओं में देखो ना क्या हो गया।
I'm childless, and the only ambition which my father has for me is that he wants that I should have a child.
यहाँ तो ढोल बजने लगा, समझो घर पे झगड़ा हो गया।
I'm playing the Gharwali. I mean, I'm his wife.
क्या बात है, आज बहुत प्यार से खाना खिलाया।
प्यार से खिलाऊंगी भी।
अच्छा,
ये सिंघर की दाल, ये सिंघर का अचार, ये सिंघर का हलवा और ये सिंघर के फूलों की सब्जी।
इतना सिंघर में कैसे खाना? और ये खाना हजम करने के लिए सिंघर की चाय।
मुझे जब भी पता चलता है कि ये फला दवा के खाने से बचा हो जाता है तो मैं भागा भागा वो दवा लेकर आता हूँ। तो रोज कोई ना कोई चीज को खिलाते रहता हूँ, कभी कोई फला सब्जी खिला दी, कभी कोई तरकारी खिला दी, और वो मेरे हाथ में कोई भी चीज लेके भाग जाता है।
ये दो गो आउटडोर्स नेपाल, जहाँ पे वो रामभा मिलती है, अनिल और मैं जाते हैं वहाँ पर। रामभा इज देयर, यू नो।
हाँ रब्बा, मैं बाहर वाली हूँ।
क्या ड्रामा होता है, क्या कॉमेडी होती है, जैसे कि डेविड धवन की पिक्चरों में होता है। एक हस्बैंड है, दो बीवियां हैं, फादर है, कादर खान है, सतीश कौशिक हैं, लॉट ऑफ फन है, गाने हैं, म्यूजिक है, सब कुछ है।
He's playing a very, he's not a negative character playing with two women, you know. His situations have created him, he falls into a pit, you know. And now when he gets into it, how he has to justify both the girls, you know. That's the film, that's his character.
See, the script is so good of this film, the screenplay is so good. I have to just be the character, I don't have to make an effort.
And Raveena's playing the wife, she's playing a straight role, you know. She is, you know, she's all the time giving it away, you know. I think Ramba makes the difference in the film also. She makes the film unusual. Otherwise, it's so good. I've enjoyed working with him. It's more of a father and son relationship between him and me, you know. I want to really tell the audiences. That's why they like him more in my film, because he adds a lot. He's at ease. He says, David, I enjoy working. He said, if you only could make all my films, I would be more happy doing it with you.
Basically, this is a family entertainer, a film for the whole family.
Laughter happening constantly in every scene and every shot, that it's difficult to keep a straight face when you're actually doing the shot, you know what I mean? Because everyone's making fun of something or the other, and there's stupid lines and stupid things we are doing, and it's a crazy.
औरतें ज़्यादा लाइक करेंगी इसको, फैमिली वाले बहुत लाइक करेंगे, और जिनकी नई नई शादी हुई है, जिनके घर में बच्चा नहीं है, यानी जिनके मतलब जितनी भी घर की समस्याएं हैं, जिनके यहाँ घर है, उनको जरूर पसंद आएगी।
As usual in between, no man is confused, but he pretends to be confused. To be honest with you, there is a story behind this film. It's not just a comedy. There is a storyline.
You know, there are hardly 7-8 stories all over the world which have been all the time done. So, but every time you find a good film chain, you say, no, I've not seen this, but the story is the same. That is called the screenplay. That is how you shoot a film.
कहानी में नेपाल का बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा, मतलब नेपाल नहीं हो तो घर वाली हो, सिर्फ बाहर वाली ना।
अरे मैंने इसको देखा और इसने मुझको देखा।
नेपाल का कहानी से ताल्लुक, कहानी से ताल्लुक इस तरह से कि हीरो जो है अनिल कपूर, वो कुछ काम से नेपाल आता है और यहाँ उसकी ज़िंदगी में दूसरी लड़की आती है जो बाहर वाली है, वो नेपाल की है। यहाँ लैंग्वेज प्रॉब्लम की वजह से कैसे उसको कन्फ्यूज़न हो जाता है, कैसे वो हालात का शिकार होता है और कैसे वो लड़की उसकी ज़िंदगी में आ जाती है। तो इसलिए नेपाल आना तो बहुत ज़रूरी था।
लड़के का एक लड़की से गलती से लफड़ा हो गया, यहाँ तो ढोल बजने लगा, समझो घर पे झगड़ा हो गया, यहाँ पे बजे ताली।
Arun has done a song, then Ganesh has done a song, then Sarojji has done a song. You know, then a song is done by Chinni. So, you know, it's going to be one film with different choreographers. You know, all the dance directors are all. And they're all very good, you know, in their own field. So I get a variety. Type of music what suits Anil Kapoor I've taken also at the same time, you know. You know, from hero to hero it happens, you know. Anil has this melody going on with him, you know. The audience likes him in this melody form.
After happening constantly in every scene and every shot, that it's difficult to keep a straight face when you're actually doing the shot, you know what I mean? Because everyone's making fun of something or the other. It's a crazy fun film.
उनकी बीवी ने उनके पति ने दर्द डाल के उनको मार दिया। क्यों? अरे उन्होंने पहली बीवी से छुपकर दूसरी शादी कर ली, और जब पहली को पता चल गया तो उसने कॉफी में जहर डालकर उनको मार दिया।
It's very dramatic and hilarious at the same time. Anil's playing a very, he's not a negative character playing with two women, you know. And now when he gets into it, how he has to justify both the girls, you know. That's the film, that's his character. It's a very difficult character, you know. Because see, you can turn to get negative also. And if you try to become positive is also wrong. You've got to be very natural, you know. I mean, how you take it. And he is basically the guy who's reacting to the film.
You see, the script is so good of this film, the screenplay is so good. I have to just be the character. I don't have to make an effort.
And then we have Satish Kaushik. He's playing a very different kind of a role. He's playing Jumbo. He's all the time he says, okay, okay, okay. That's his line. He's defined character as a friend of Anil.
We have a Shah Rukh Khan in the film also. You know? He creates that kind of a fun atmosphere on the sets that it has to be a lighter shade film.
David, this is my third film.